Hi, this is Aaron Aardvark Adventure Rides. Today I want to do a review on my Delkevic exhaust system. This is the 350mm stainless steel oval exhaust. It's a 3/4 system. It's fitted to my 2008 Suzuki V-Strom. I've done about 40,000 Ks with this exhaust on, and it's just starting to show a few problems. It only cost 340 Australian dollars delivered. After the first 6 months I had a loud rattle developed, and I found a plate inside here had come loose. It was replaced under warranty. They said they've changed their manufacturing technique since then, but after a couple of years and 40,000 Ks of abuse, it's started to rattle again, and I think it's in there. The other thing is, you can see black around these rivets. It's starting to leak around here. Let's see if you can see this. There's a bit of movement in it. The rivets have worked loose. It's leaking around the rivets, and around this part you can see it's black. So there's quite a bit of movement there. I could possibly drill these rivets out and re-rivet it, or even run a nice little weld around there. Right, yeah, let's pull it apart and have a look, see what I can find. It looks like one of the welds has come loose and it's moving. So I thought last time it was the whole thing come loose, so the whole lot was rattling around. This is just one corner. Yeah, that'd be enough to make that noise. Righto, I just got to try and work out how to fix it now. While I'm doing that, I'll put up some videos of the sound of this exhaust. So my exhaust is back on. So the plate inside here has a good weld on one side and only a tack this side. I've drilled a hole so I could weld it to the sidewall there. Because of all the carbon in there, I had trouble welding it, so I was chasing holes. I'm not a good welder to start with. I also put a small stitch weld on my muffler here and another one on the other side to stop that movement. Now I've got rid of the rattle. So despite these issues, I'm still happy with the exhaust. These issues possibly caused by the riding I do. I do a lot of off-road riding, a lot of rough roads, jump logs. The bike's been dropped numerous times. I put the baffle back in yesterday. A lot of people can't decide whether they like the baffle in or out. Personally, I prefer the sound with it out. It's not a lot louder, but it's a nice deep note. But performance-wise, I think it's better in. I ride in a lot of heavy traffic, so there's a lot of riding at low revs, and it tends to feel a bit bogged down when the baffle's out. It feels like it wants to stall when you go to take off from the lights. Yeah, it seems to run a lot better with it in. So overall I'm very happy with this exhaust. I wouldn't hesitate to buy one again. Buy another one to replace this one and it'd still work out cheaper than most exhaust systems. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.